Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where you can play 1v1 in NBA 2K26 My Career City. So right here you can see that I'm in the city, and the first location where you can play 1v1 is Proving Grounds. If you don't know the location, let me just show you that on the map. So right here you need to come and you're gonna see the board like this, Proving Grounds. So just get into that. So as you can see right here, we have several options like 2v2, 3v3 and 5v5. One of them is 1v1, which you can see right here. Our second location where you can play 1v1 is the theater, which you can see just behind the player, and this location is just near the Proving Grounds, which you can see there is a Proving Grounds, and just near that we have the theater. So just get into that again. Just like Proving Grounds, here you have option for 3v3, 2v2 and 1v1 as well. So okay, this is the option where you can play 1v1, which you can see on the board or banner. Now this is a third location where you can play 1v1, and this location is also near to Proving Grounds and the theater. So just get into the third location now. And yeah, this is exactly how this is gonna look if you get inside it. So this is where you can play 1v1 as well. Now the fourth and last location where you can play 1v1 is My Court, and you're gonna see My Court just near to the theater. So the theater is just right there, and just next to that we have My Court. So let me just get into this. Once you get inside the My Court, you'll able to play with your friends. So for that, to invite your friends, what you need to do, just hit LB RB key or L1 R1 key, and you're gonna see this kind of list where you'll able to see all of your friends. So just invite your friend, and once you invite them, they'll accept your request and you will able to play with them 1v1 just right here in My Court. And yeah, these are some locations where you can play 1v1 in NBA 2K26 My City. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.